Hello again, it's Eric, Better Every Shave, and today I've just got a quick unboxing video. I don't have a shaverage, some water. It's nothing exciting, so I'm just going to get into the box. I got a little delivery here from Maggard's. I'm sure you're all aware of the acronym FOMO, fear of missing out, and I've been feeling that a bit myself when I watch some of the Shave of the Day videos and see some posts and things like that. There are so many artisan soap makers that are putting out great products that I honestly don't know how you can keep up. And I also have a little bit of a problem just laying out $20-$30 or however much for a tub of soap, not having any idea if I like it or not. And I know a lot of people get around that by buying it, scooping it, and then maybe reselling it if they don't like it. But to me, samples make sense. So fortunately, Maggard's does a lot of samples, and I've never ordered their samples, so I just thought it would be helpful maybe to show how their samples come and what they look like and the size of them and all of that, just in case any of you were thinking about ordering them and haven't. So be opening this with my Civivi Elementum. It's a nice little flipper. Great knife. It has actually dark teak wood. It looks like plastic with this. It's actually wood. I don't know if you can see the grain. Very nice knife. Very affordable too for what you get. Okay, so let's see here. So I have Ariana and Evans Tertius. Yes, so that's this guy. All right, and it's a reasonable size for a sample. I assume you can get several shaves out of this. Let's see. Whoa, that's an odd smell. Maybe I'm just not smelling the right thing. It's got a very like vinyl kind of smell to it. I'm wondering if it's the case itself, the little container. Anyway, okay. Chiseled face. Sherlock, which is supposed to be, I guess, like a tobacco sort of flavor, which would make sense. So that's this guy. Yeah, my sense of smell must be a little off right now because that doesn't smell anything like tobacco, but maybe I'm misremembering. Declaration Grooming. So fake yellow light, which would be this guy because they have very distinct packaging. And I basically just got one each of all of the preeminent sort of artisan, soap makers. So, oh no, that's really nice. Okay, I like it. We're 1 for 3. House of Mammoth, Tobacconist. So this one should definitely smell like tobacco. And there's the House of Mammoth logo. So it's nice. It's nice that they make the little stickers, and it's obviously something that put some thought into, making these little samples. Holy cow. Okay. Well, I won't be smelling that one right now, apparently. Okay, Noble Otter. I got Monarch, which just sounded amazing. And Noble Otter gets a lot of high praise, so let's see how this one is. Very interesting. It's nice. I'm having a hard time right now. I just had lunch and I'm thinking maybe I've got some leftover flavor in my mouth. Something is keeping me from smelling these properly. All right, Southern Witchcrafts, Carmilla, or yeah, Carmilla. Okay, so there we go. Oh, that's nice. It's a little more perfumey. but very sort of sweet fragrance. And then Zingari Man, the Rambler. There we go. So, oh, that's interesting. Yeah, and you know, all of these smell different whenever you actually lather them. So me just opening it and smelling it really doesn't prove anything. I may love that first one that I smelled. It smelled like vinyl. But anyway, that was it. Quick video just to show sort of what these samples look like. I'm really happy with the size of these. And honestly, I got all of, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 7 samples for $21.65 and then $6 in shipping. So $27.65. So that's great. I basically got, you know, and it accomplishes my goal of being able to try one soap from most of the sort of artisans that I keep seeing over and over again. So anyway, I'm excited. I'm going to try these out in sort of succession, see which ones I like. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you later in another video. All right. Have a good day. Bye-bye.